This is my January update video for its panning cats and dogs. This panning project is part of the PANtastic Ladies Collab, and it is the brainchild of Deb B and Danny's Makeup here on YouTube, and I will have them linked down below, along with some information about the panning project, a link to the Facebook group, links to sign up, links to who's participating, all the things, because we're jumping in where we are in 24. Let's get right into it. Hey, howdy. Hey, y'all. Leanna here. I'm excited. Some of the things I've done, some of the things I haven't done. You know. So, let me pull up my spreadsheet. Okay. I am going to be rolling out 4 things out of 8. Why do I have 8? Why do I have 8 things? I don't know, but I'm rolling out 4. So, the first product, which goes along with prompt number 4, Best of Breed, which says, tell us all about your pet, past or present. Doesn't have to be a dog or a cat, and it's to correspond with an item you love with all of your heart. And I am a huge animal person. I love all animals, but cats are near and dear to my heart. I have had several very special. I mean, all of my pets have been special, but I've had several that have been very special. So to choose an item that is near and dear to my heart, I picked these half lashes because I just love them. I have them on. They are so easy to put on, and they make your lashes look so nice. And I put these in for 15 uses, and I be daggone, I have only used them 4 times. They've been in here the whole ding-dang time. Just not. And I mean, you see that these are full. I have a pair on, but I had these pair. In this, I have this little thing. Here we go. Off topic. I have this little tin, and in it is this little sticky... It's a weird thing. It's a thing that people that are putting your lashes on, it sticks to your forehead, and they put the individual lashes on it so that they can get them and put it on. But I put it in this little tin to keep my lashes in, so that if I have, 4, 5, 8 pair going, which never happens, but if I did, I could put them all in that one tin and have them at the ready. But I got to use the ding-dang things. But I say 4, and I said I was going to do it 15. I was new. I didn't know what I was talking about. Anyway, they're going back in the dang basket. The next prompt was number 28, which was St. Bernard, something that rescues your makeup and setting spray. I would assume for most people, setting spray is something that will rescue your makeup, and I put this in to use 20 times, and I have used it about 25 times. There, I should have marked it. Again, I was new, and I didn't, but I have used quite a bit of it, so I will be rolling that out. The next prompt was cat litter, something that makes a mess, and so I picked sheet mask, because sheet masks are extremely messy, and I'm not crazy about them. I did have a clay mask. I mean, they're messy too. I don't feel like they're quite as messy as the sheet mask, but I put in 5. I've used 4, and somehow I still have 2. That doesn't come up to 5. So anyway, I don't know, they had babies, and so I still have 2 more to use, because I said 5, and I have 6, so they're staying in. The next product was Corgi, a gel product. or something that wiggles, jiggles. So I picked these Dew of the God Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads because they are gel. The side that goes to your skin is gel and the other side is like a felt. And I love these. I can put them on at night when I go to bed, and when I get up in the morning they are still there. So I get the benefit of that gel all night long. And my usage goal was to use the entire tin. There are 10 in the tin. And here they are. You can see they're all tore open. I used all 10 of them, just like a good girl, 'cause I'm a good girl. Yay! That makes me so happy. I have so many of those, and I'm going to continue to work through those. The next prompt was treats, and that was something that you bought to treat yourself, and I bought this Cocoa Rose Fudge whipped body butter from Truly. Something about how that looks, and it just looks wonderful and luxurious and all the things, and I just wanted it. I wanted it, and so I bought it, and I had it in for 10 uses, and I used it exactly 10 times. I have not touched it since. I am so glad this is rolling out because I hate it. I don't like it. It smells phenomenal, and it is so freaking sticky. I don't like it. I will not be using it. My daughter loves the smell of rose, so I'm passing this right on along to her. I'm decluttering it. I will never use it again. The next prompt was Sharpay, something that combats wrinkles. And so I chose this Lancome, I always say it wrong, Regenerate Lift Multi-Action Night Cream. It is a firming anti-wrinkle night cream. And I had this in to use it 10 times. And I have used it 12. You can see I have a nice, you cannot see that I have a nice little dip in it. There we go. It smells so good, and I really am enjoying that. So I think that I'm going to roll that over into maybe my Skin is In project because I really like it. The next prompt was Poodle, and that is a product that makes you feel high maintenance, a bougie item in your collection. So I picked this Dolce & Gabbana, the Only One perfume, for 20 uses, I believe, and I have used it 8 times. It has cat hair on it, and I absolutely love the way it smells, but I have a few other perfumes in panning projects, and so it's probably going to take me a little while to get through that, but I absolutely love it. The next prompt was Husky, and that was a loud product, whether it was loud color, loud packaging. So I picked this Chantico Twilight Multichrome eyeshadow, and I said what I said, that I was going to use it 5 times, and I have used it once, y'all. So it is staying in, and it is kind of a loose, maybe I can pack it down. I'm not real big on loose eyeshadows. Maybe it, look at it. I mean, it is, look at that. It is buttery and smooth as silk. And I mean, it's blue and purple and pink and all the things. It is all the things, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see all of the different shifts. It's amazing. It's amazing. Why am I not using it? I don't know. I don't know, but I have 4 more times to use it, so that is staying in and going back over here where I can see it so that hopefully I'll get some usage out of that. So that was the last one. I have 4 items rolling out, so we're going to spin the wheel and pull 4 more products in. Alright, so we're going to spin the wheel. German Shepherd. That is an item that protects your makeup, like SPF primer setting spray. Didn't I just get rid of a setting spray? I already have a primer. Alright, we're going to spin it again. Long-haired cat. Long-haired cat. Favorite hair product. Favorite hair product. Alright, we're going to remove that. Spin it again. That was 2. We got 2 more. Agility. A product that requires practice to use. And that is credit to Taru at Cruelty Free Panner. A product that requires practice to use. Okay. Alright, I'm going to remove that last one. Labrador, Golden Retriever. A product that you had to hunt down or was hard to find. Okay, let me go find these products and I'll be right back. We're going to start with the last prompt that I pulled on the wheel because I had to stick my finger in it and I don't want to sit here like this the entire time waiting to get to it. So I had to stick my finger in it to figure out what I was going to do. So that was number 17, which was Labrador or Golden Retriever, and that was something that you had to hunt for or was hard to find. And that would be this Amethyst palette for February from BH Cosmetics. I wanted this palette because my grandmother, who's very, very near and dear to my heart, was born on February the 2nd, Groundhog's Day. And also a very good friend of mine's birthday is on Groundhog's Day. So I wanted this palette because I had been planning to do a video dedicated to the 2 of them and do a look with this palette, which I haven't done yet. I put that on my list. Anyway, a very good friend of mine, Ash, from Makeup and Chaos, sent me this palette because they were planning to declutter it and not use it, and so here it is. And I was trying to decide my usage goal. I decided to do no pan left behind, which is why I stuck my finger in that hot mess because that looks like straight up glitter, and I don't like to do glitter because I have contacts. That is so buttery. Yeah, that's straight up glitter. And I'm going to use it once because it gets in my contacts and oh buddy, maybe I'll wear glasses that day. So anyway, no pan left behind. For number 13, German Shepherd, which was something that, an item that protects your makeup like SPF primer setting spray. I mean, it was still sitting on my desk. Why would I not just do it again? Let's just do it again, shall we? I put this back in for another 20 uses because that's what I did the first time. Let's see if I can do a better job. And this time, like a real panner, except for I can't draw a straight line, I marked it. For for number 19, which was a long-haired cat, and that was your favorite hair product. I don't have a favorite hair product. I used to have a favorite hair product, and that was anything made by Aussie. I loved their products, especially the 3-Minute Miracle. I used to love that, and I don't know why I quit using that, but I'm on a whole hair journey. I've been on a hair journey for a while. I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair. Is it curly? Is it straight? I wish I could find some purple permanent. Are there any hairdressers out there? I need a permanent purple because all the purple is semi-permanent and it washes out and I have to keep redoing it and it's just a pain. So I'm on a journey, figuring out what I want to do with my hair, and I want to help it to grow. It's kind of thin and I love the silver. I'm trying to get the silver and do the purple and all the things, so I don't have a favorite. However, I do have one that I'm excited to use and I have not used it yet, and Andy from Andy Does Stuff suggested this and I bought it because it was steeply reduced for Black Friday. I think this is like a $30 product and I got it for $19, and you know, true to form, here I am and I haven't used it yet. So it says to use once a week. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week if your hair is really damaged, and my hair is not. So I'm going to put this in for 5 uses. And the last prompt was agility, and that was a product that requires practice to use, and that was accredited to Teru at Cruelty Free Panner. And so, call me crazy, but I chose these eyeliners that have the stamps on them, which are not terribly hard to use, but it does take some practice. And for me, liquid black eyeliner takes practice, and I'm not real good about it. And I'd like to figure out the wing thing, but you know, I got wrinkles and crinkles, and they sag, and they're hooded, and you know, like it's a whole dang hood of a Buick, you know. LeSabre. Why is it LeSabre? What's that got to do with it? I don't know. But anyway, so I have 3. You know, I have the eye method. And then I have the new eye method, which is weird. And I didn't ask them for that. They just sent it to me. But then I have Mirabella, and it has the eyeliner stamp on one end and the eyeliner tip on the other. So I am going to put these in for 10 uses. I'm going to use each one of them and see if there's one that I like better than the other and get some practice in. So that's my update for It's Panning Cats and Dogs. Maybe I can get this reindeer pan this time. These sheet masks that have babies and stuff in the basket, I'm going to have to separate them. Anyway, thanks for giving me some of your time and watching my update for It's Panning Cats and Dogs. Like I said, I'll have all the information down in the description box below, along with any channels that I mentioned. You can go check them all out. As a matter of fact, you should. Before you do that, make sure you show that like button some love, and if you're not subscribed, what you waiting on? Hit that subscription button, ring that notification bell. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, love you, bye. Christopher, here's your makeup tip from your mama. If your mascara is waterproof, your emotions don't stand a chance. Mama loves you, boo.